Your father and I go way back.
Me and Jerry go way back from the Union days.
You two know each other? Oh, we go way back.
Don't worry about Martine, she's solid. We go way back.
Vivian's dad and I go way back. He said you were a journalism student.
I'm gonna go with Penny on this one. Then again, why wouldn't I? I mean, we go way back.
Oh, yeah. Me and Mickey, we go way back.
So, what brings you here?
Oh, 3 broomsticks and I go way back, further than I care to admit.
You know Secretary Decker? Oh, yeah. We go way back.
I checked the daily report books. Dudley, Buzz Meeks, and Stensland go way back.
Don't listen to her. You and I go way back. We're like brothers.
We are.
You like Veracruz? He and I go way back. I can get you front row seats to his Sunrise Spectacular show. I'll get you backstage. You can meet him.
Dave, we go way back, all right? And we've both come a long way since college. You, not so much.
Hi! Oh, Angie, you met Luke, and of course you recognized the beautiful Paulina Parskova. She and I go way back.
Timothy, Reggie and I go way back. He's amazing with plants, and if there's anyone who can do this, he's the guy.
What are we doing? This is madness.
No, this is manageable. It's Clayton. We go way back, I'll pay up, and maybe we'll have a good laugh.
You don't believe that.
Theodore and I go way back. Thick as thieves. Nigh inseparable we are. Were. Have been. Before.
So you two go way back, huh?
That's classified. A word of advice, Agent J. Don't ask questions you don't want to know the answer to.
Karen, we go way back. I have 4 bodies on the street on the eve of Bastille Day. If you have any information.
If I did, I would tell you. You know that.